In July 1994, a government of national unity was established by the Rwanda Patriotic Front, comprising both Hutu and Tutsi officials, marking a pivotal step towards transcending the deep-seated divisions that had torn the nation asunder. With a stable political landscape, sound security and a commitment to transparent governance, Rwanda has achieved remarkable economic and social development in recent years.
So after the country was devastated, after the country was completely destroyed, after the country looked like bankrupt, Rwandans needed to take decisions about their future. And I think they opted for the right decisions. They opted for reconciliation. They opted for reconstruction. They opted for rebuilding their country, rebuilding the image of their country, and the construction and the development of the economic and social and political setup, which the result we see today of a country that, of course, still has a number of challenges, but a viable country which also has a visibility which everyone can see.